Hello and welcome back to Discover Talent. Today we are diving into something that can transform the way you create, present, and share ideas. Microsoft Sway now with power of Copilot. What is Microsoft Sway? Microsoft Sway is a digital storytelling app that allows you to create visually stunning presentation, newsletters, reports, and more all without needing a professional design skills. It's designed for simplicity, yet powerful enough to make a lasting impact. Cool. Unlike a traditional tools, Sway emphasize content over a clutter, ensuring your story remains the star. Why to add Copilot in our Microsoft Sway even more better with the Microsoft's AI powered Copilot integrated into a Sway. Creating a content becomes faster, smarter, and more intuitive. Copilot helps you by generating design suggestion, summarizing key points, and even providing a content ideas that achieve your goals. Cool. Without further ado, let's quickly start, and I'm gonna show you this particular URL in the description. Okay, which is sway.cloud.microsoft.com/my. Okay, this is my screen, so that's the reason it's showing as like this. Cool. If in case you are using a Office 365, then you will simply type as a office.com like this. Okay, and this option is not available for you, then you have what you have to do over here is once you done that, simply just scroll right. Okay, see more in create. And you can see over here there is an option called Sway. You can simply click here. Cool. Any of the browser you have to just simply press here and you will get the Sway added there. Cool. Now we'll just turn back the screen over here. Begin with a navigation part first. Okay. Create new, start from a topic, start a document. Cool. This is the tutorial. If in case you are new to the Sway, then you will simply click here and you will get a tutorial added there. Right. Since we are using a Copilot, then we'll add a Copilot over here and I'll just open a Copilot, copilot.microsoft.com and hit enter. You will get a screen like this. If you wish to do a sign in, you can do it for a better result. For now, we are just doing a training, so that's the reason I'm not doing a sign in over here. Cool. If in case you are using a Office 365 business version, right, the Copilot is available in your Word, Excel as well. Okay, so you can leverage that even in the Outlook as well. Okay, so that's that. Now let's focus on this. I'll just simply click here the option called start from blank Sway. So before I begin with that, I'll just quickly give you the navigation what exactly it's happening right over here on the screen. So create new, this one and the same. Start from a topic, simply just click here. Okay, I'll say cat. Okay, and hit a create outline button. As soon as I click a cat as a topic and create outline, this will auto-generated text from the Bing, and this is the outline has been developed by this. Okay, as soon as I click on this play button, you can see how beautifully Sway itself, it's been developed. So we haven't made any kind of changes. Design has been automatically added. Cool. So this is how beautifully we can see it. Yeah. Want to do it. Yeah. Again, it's AI driven recommendation. What you have to do, simply just go at the edit button at the top here and you have to just change basis your requirement, folks. Cool. And there is an option called design. You have to just simply click here and then click on the styles. If in case you wish to change any design, you can do that as well. Right now we were scrolling vertically, so you can change the scrolling alignment as well. I'll just say horizontal this time and I'll play it. You can see it's scrolling horizontally like this. Again, I'll click on this edit button. Slides, if in case you wish to see as a slides, you will just hit a slides and you will have to simply click on play button and there we go. Cool. So now if I want to change a design from here, what it consists your font and overall design. So I'll just simply click here. Now see the difference, right? Since we have pressed a slide button, that's what it's asking us to manually press this button. Cool. However, if I change this and keep it like this and do it now, as soon as I scroll my mouse wheel, okay, this will be changed automatically. Cool. So this is how beautiful designs has been available over here. If in case you wish to keep a remix, this will automatically change any of the design. It will pick paces their availability, okay, to whom you are sharing with, okay, and this design will be changed by the time. I'll just click on this close button. Undo, you know, right? So we just do a previous action, what we have did in the file, and the previous action, you can see it there. Now there is an option called share. As soon as you hit the share button, you can see there are numerous options available, okay, which is invite people, view, edit. Suppose you are working on client deliverables, okay, and you have respective stakeholders available with you, two team members with you, and your manager asks you to work on dedicated task where your expertise will be images part or maybe the headings part in terms of title, and to design a content the another fellow will do it. Okay, that time what you have to do, edit this, click on this option called edit and click this option and just share it across. Cool. So which means that the person who is accessing this URL, he will edit it, right now. I'll just keep this as a view for an explanation purpose. Get visual link, so this will generate a link which is this again. If in case you wish to share it on Facebook, you will share it. Again, it's a Twitter, I think name has been changed for Twitter to something else, so that's not a worry. You have to just simply click here, you can share it, and then share to LinkedIn. If in case you wish to share on LinkedIn, you will definitely do that. Get embedded code. Suppose you want to embed this on your blog or maybe on your website, this particular web page, okay, that time simply click here and just copy this code, okay, and wherever you wish to embed this in your SharePoint, in your website, okay, or maybe for that matter, if in case you are developing any app, okay, you wish to add this view, you will definitely do it. Okay, now why we need this, okay, why we need a Sway? So with the help of Sway, first thing, there is a no cost involved over here, okay. Second thing, time saving, right? And third most important, you will get a analytics with the help of this, okay. If in case you are developing any newsletter, okay, and you are publishing this newsletter with the respective individuals and you want to analyze that data, how many people have visited that newsletter, that you can see as well, okay. We can cover that in the later on part, but for now just giving in a hypothetical example why we need this and why we are focusing on digital storytelling tool. Cool. So now since we are done with this, now we'll just click here option called three dots over here, discover more options available. My Sway, create new, again we'll start from the scratch. That time we'll click on this option, duplicate this Sway. So many other times, right, when you are getting a sign off from the client, right, and you are good with it, that this will be the theme you will be adhering henceforth, so and so font you have to follow, right? So that time you will use this option called duplicate this Sway, and you will create a two copies of duplicate. Okay, I'll just say cat2 and duplicate and go to my Sway, and you can see cat1, cat2 is available over here, right? Again, I'll just click here option called this three ribbon. Now you see this options has been changed, right? And then others, I have to just click on this again option cat, click here once again, you will see this option available. Cool. Now save as a template. If you wish to forward this particular template with respect to individual, right, to he or she can adopt that later on part, so you can just create this as a template and share it with the person. Template, I'll say template, so this will be the template for me. I'll create this as a template. Okay, and this template will be utilized by the person who will be work on this. Cool. So start with the template. Likewise, as we have developed this particular template, we have different templates available. Cool. Client delivery, internal newsletters, resume writing, business presentation. If in case you are a model actor and you wish to create your own portfolio, right, you can create your portfolio as well. Even for that matter, sustainability, right? uh, Currently in the market, sustainability is very much trending, right, and it's a future forecasted one. If in case you have some sort of projects and you want to present that, so you can leverage this Microsoft's way digital form. You can add your DIY project there and you can just share it across. Vacation story, announcement, status update, blog enhanced, again newsletter. Cool. So this is how beautifully you can see templates are available, right? You have to just pick that randomly and you have to work on that. Yeah, just simply pick this one this time and I'll show you how template looks like for you. Since we all are prefer digital newsletter, and even on the LinkedIn, right, I have seen that multiple resumes are digital. Okay, if in case you wish to adopt any free template, okay, would recommend pick up from Sway. Again, zero investment you have to do. Just click on the start editing this way. It will click on this option preparing your Sway and it will give me the access for change the resume. So I'll say um, resume title, data analytics expert with 15 years. Cool. And this time I'll say this is the random name. I'll say Vinod W and so on. So number will be add. Yeah, address will be there, Mumbai, and my LinkedIn address. What is my LinkedIn address? I forgot my LinkedIn address. Okay, no problem. So I'll just say linkedin.com discover talent 143. Not an issue. Cool. So if in case I wish to add my objective over here, I'll definitely copy and paste it over here. Okay, from my resume, existing resume, and previous year company roles and responsibilities, I will add it over here. Links, if in case I have did any kind of a research, right, any patents about me, so I'll definitely add those, my patents, my accomplishments, what I have did so far, right, in my career goal. Those I can add it slowly steadily at the bottom basis the requirement. And then once we are done, just simply click on this option. You can see, so this has been showing on the web. Again, it's not a hosting or not a domain related kind of stuff, right? Simple URL. Okay, this is your URL. Now this you can share with the recruiter. Okay, and ask them to review your profile. Very simple. Would recommend you to adopt this new technology, folks. Okay, Sway with Copilot. Now since we are talking about Copilot, folks, okay, so let me just click on this edit option. Okay, once again, and then I'll say create a career objective. Create a career objective for person who is in data analytics field, say with 15 years. Add Python, Tableau, advanced Excel, and SQL. Cool. So since I've just now added a prompt, so it's creating a career objective for me. Great. Once we are done with the career objective and you are happy with it, right, simply just copy this and click on this your Sway once again. Okay, and paste it as a career objective. I'll say this and then I'll say career objective for me, right? Sometimes this template act weird and they don't get responsive, frankly speaking. That time what you have to do, simply click here, duplicate this particular Sway. Okay, and as soon as you create a duplicate like this, okay, I'll say 2 and duplicate, there is an option you will get, okay, which is edit it now. So as soon as you click on this edit it now, you can simply work on the part. Cool. Experience, I'll say again what I'm gonna do over here is I'll just say copy Okay, I'll go here, I'll paste it. Oops, it's not really working. So let me just delete this. It's saying summarize your key responsibilities, leadership, and most stellar accomplishment, right? Give me dummy company name and work experience along with accomplishment. Let's see what results we get. Boom, it's acting so nicely. Yeah, you can see it, right? You don't have to type anything on your own. Simply you just have to write a prompt what you need, folks. Okay, check the power of AI. Just delete this first. Okay, I don't require that experience, and again I don't require this as well, this as well, don't require it. So I'll just need a one example. That's I'm okay with it, and then just paste it. Great. So yeah, I'm happy now. And this is the experience. If I need a background over here, what I'm gonna do over here is I'll just say job. Okay, and then this time I will say this one, this particular image I'll just select it. Again, this image is automatically using a Bing. Okay, it's not that it's automatically coming somewhere else. It's the backend is basically Bing. Okay, from Bing itself, it's capturing the image. You have to make sure that you are choosing a appropriate image, to avoid a copyright infringement. Cool. Okay, guys. um Here, education, in education section, simply click here. Let's say education, hit enter, education, and then enter, close it. Scroll down once again. Give me a education and which relates my work profile. For example, I will say BSc IT, BCA, MCA. Okay, something like that. I've just added that. So anything I can pick it. Okay, any random thing. I'll just say this one, master computer application from so and so university. You must have your own reputed institute university. You can definitely leverage that. That's not a challenge. I'll just delete that once again, and in the text section here I'll just paste it like this. And always remember, just a key highlight here, we have added a master's degree over here. When you click on this option once again and you wish to add a bachelor's degree, you will just simply click here. Okay, and copy this and paste it like this. So always remember, your current degree would be at the top. Okay, and your previous degree would be at the bottom. Okay, so since we are good with this, okay, this particular part about resume creation, so we are not here to draft a resume, right? We are here to cover a Microsoft's way and the Copilot's power. Cool. So this is what the intent over here is, right? And since we are done with these changes, you don't have to save anything. Okay, it will automatically save since we are leveraging a cloud functionality of Microsoft. Okay, I'll just click on this play button. Now you can see the changes has been done, which is my Vinod W, so and so number, so and so ID. This is my header. Scroll down, I have chosen this particular image. This is my experience. Boom. You can make more intuitive. Okay, folks, basis your requirement how you want to use it, and again complete your call how you want to generate this. Cool. Since we are done with this, I'll just click on this edit option once again, and I'll check the options what I have. Since we already covered duplicate, save this template, print. If in case you wish to take a PDF of this, right, click on this option called PDF. Usually nobody takes the PDF. Okay, because any which is we are leveraging this option called Sway as a digital, but if there is a accessibility challenge, right? And Sway is pretty much accessible, right, for the people. But yes, if in case you need a PDF, you can definitely click on this PDF option, okay, and this document will be in a PDF format. How beautiful it is, isn't it? You have to just simply click on this option, PDF or maybe any other printer. You have to select it, and the color, black and white, whatever you want to do it, and then simply click on this print. Great. So I just love it, okay. This option, when I was not really aware, when I was like a you only, that time, I was not really aware what is Sway. I'm hearing this a lot, what is Sway, but now I know the power of Sway, right? Sway and the combination of Microsoft Copilot is amazing, okay. It's way beyond export. If in case you wish to export this format into Word, that time you can click on this option, export, and then you can export it. Setting for this Sway, if in case you want to change any setting, okay, autoplay it, kind of this, like this, okay. So suppose I'll just keep this timeline like this, a little like this, and I simply click on this play button, okay. I'll not click on my mouse wheel, okay. It will automatically scroll here and there, okay. I'm not doing anything, it's auto thing. Cool. So this is how you can adjust your setting basis that option, folks. Pick my mouse and I'm just clicking on this option, okay. Edit once again, and this particular 3 version, setting of this accessibility checker. Once again, this is very important, an accessibility view. Always remember your document, be it your Word, okay, Excel, or maybe any other Microsoft suite, okay, whichever document you are using it, or maybe performing or creating dashboards, or maybe any template for that matter, right? You always have to remember that this should be accessible, right? So what it's written over here, you can check it, right? Check your Sway for content that people with disabilities, okay, might find a difficulty to read. So always remember, they are like us only, okay. Don't differentiate. So click on this option, accessibility checker, okay. Improvement needed. So here there is improvement needed. Since this is just for on a demo purpose, so that's the reason we have chosen this, okay. So alternative text, it's offering us kind of this. Cool. So this is how very beautiful option given by Microsoft, and Microsoft not only offers in this way, however, whatever products Microsoft is offering like Excel, PowerPoint, right, accessibility options is given. And this is the help section. If in case you needed any kind of help, right, you can just simply click there. Great. So far we have setting option, choose option, share, play. Now I'll just simply click here again, Sway. Start from a document. I'll just click on this option, start from a document. I'll click here and say finance and operations, and I'll open it like this. Okay, I've just loaded a finance and operations PPT over here, okay. And let's see what result I get it from Microsoft Sway. It's taking some time to load, okay, because data is huge, and that's the reason. Cool. In the meantime, if in case there is a question, so feel free to ask in below comment section, and if in case you need any help from me where I can support you, okay, I'm happy to do that, folks. And just let me know how many of you are new here on this channel. Please let me know, because we create such business informative and productivity related video series in the Discover Talent, right? So we need your support. If in case any improvement needed from us, we always open for a feedback. And in upcoming Feb month, probably we are launching one batch, okay, for Excel basic and Excel advanced, okay. If in case you are interested, feel free to comment in below section, or maybe directly visit our discovertalentpresents.com and you can register your seat. Cool. So this is it, and I've just now what I've did, I've uploaded a PPT over here, since I haven't made any kind of things over here, okay, folks. Simply just select this, click on this play button, boom, same PPT, but the look and feel, you can see it, right? There you go. Cool. So I just love it, the formatting, editing part, I just love it. And if in case you are not really happy with this image also, right, you can just simply click here background image and you can change it, which I have shown you earlier as well, right? And that's that. Click on this design once again, and I'll just change the design this time. I don't need this. I'll keep it simple like this one, or maybe this one, and keep it remix. Boom. So when I click on this play button, okay, so this is how it looks like for me. And so far we have did this particular activity, and we are good now. And what I'm gonna do over here is, again, I'll just click here. I'm gonna show you my discover talent, what I have did. Okay, so this is the proposal what I have prepared for Microsoft. So again, if in case you are not really aware what is discover talent is a community where we train our people, okay, who wish to learn a Excel, PowerPoint, okay, Microsoft Office 365 related tools, because we are MIEE expert, okay, valued professional for Microsoft, and this is the trainings what we do it, right? And this is the proposal what we have prepared. Okay, again, we have embedded this to our websites as well, where people can leverage this, understand this, what is discover talent, basis that they can, you know, take an admission in our discover talent. Cool. So this is it, and I'll simply click here once again, and here sway.cloud.com once again. Edited, we have seen edited so far. Viewed, type of sways you have viewed so far. So this is the viewed. Analytics, okay, how many people have viewed that, right? So this is the analytics. Deleted, how many sways you have deleted so far, so you can see that. Sway in the recycle bin automatically deleted after a 30 days. So are you ready to transform the way you are create and share? Start exploring Microsoft's way with Copilot today. Last but not the least, if in case you need a Microsoft Sway along with a Copilot certification from us, then please comment in below section, or maybe email us directly on our email ID, which we have mentioned in our description. If not, you can directly visit on our website, which is discovertalentpresents.com. Okay, you have to just give a assessment. Once you clear the assessment, you will get a certificate. I have already spent a couple of minutes over here to understand what is Microsoft Sway and Copilot. This learning will transform into a certification. It's not forcefully complete, depend upon you. If you wish to achieve a certificate, definitely visit our portal. Cool. Thank you for watching Discover Talent. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insights into tools that help you unlock your potential. See you in the next video. I am Vinod, signing off for the day.